All right, what's up? This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. We are taking the payphone challenge tonight. I love payphones. I've always been a fan of payphones. We're in 2020. So the challenge is, who would you call with one phone call, collect, that has to pick up the phone? I'm calling one of my buddies right now. I have not texted them. I have not alerted them. I have their number here because I don't have it memorized, because who does nowadays? We're gonna call them collect and see if they pick up. If they pick up, you win. If they don't pick up, you're done. Let's find out. There's a dial tone. That's crazy enough right now in 2020, right? All right. Star 88. That's collect now. For English, press 1. It's very slow. AT&T will not disconnect your phone right now during COVID-19, if you're wondering. Collect call. It's not fast for collect calls, if you're wondering. It's asking for my phone number with my own AT&T service right now. This is not a very solid collect system. I don't think it's gonna work.
Sure it is.
If it asks for your phone number that you have, how is it going to let you collect calls from somebody?
Persistence is key.
Collect call. I feel like coronavirus is getting in my ear right now.
Let's help Luke read the directions there.
Star 88.
Oh my God, it says number 3, deposit coins.
So you can't call collect without money. Call centers are currently closed. We can't make a phone call. All right.
For a refund, you must dial star 66.
All right, so what we learned is you cannot make a collect call nowadays with no money. You have to have money, even in a payphone, to make a collect phone call. This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. Things have changed. Payphones may still be here, but you gotta have money to put in them for collect phone calls.